Hey everyone, just recapping and reviewing what all we learned because it's been a great session of learning all about these oils. Reviewing what you got in your diffuser kit, or I mean in your kit and your mini kit, your spring mini kit. And you did get some literature, some more literature. And then you got Digize, which we covered is a tummy time oil. You can put it on the inside of your cheek, you can put it on your abdomen, and you can put it in a capsule. So you can use the capsule for that Digize, and you can really work on your tummy issues. So you use the Digize for that. And it's a vitality oil, because remember we talked about what the white cap means. And that is one that my husband even used this morning because he was having a hard time and wanted to go cycling, and he didn't want to have any issues cycling. So he asked where the Digize was. Again, next we had peppermint. And peppermint review was good to massage into muscles, get head tension, massage into head tension. Again, you are using the carrier oil with it so that you dilute it for your skin so that you're taking care of your skin. It's a vitality oil, so you can use it in your water, in brownies. You can just inhale it to get you going for the day, to kind of wake you up. And it sometimes can curb that snacky appetite. So you can inhale it or put it in some water for that. Citrus Fresh. Remember that it was turned super bright, and it's great for covering up smells or eliminating smells. Not covering up. It's not like a Febreze. It's eliminating smells. You can put a drop in your water for a pick-me-up. Again, remember this is what the Vitality line looks like. It's in a white label. You can kind of pep up your energy by inhaling it. You can put it with peppermint for a really fun scent to wake you up. You can add it to lavender and make it a nice linen spray. You could also add it to dryer balls so that when you're giving up dryer sheets, that you still have a lovely scent in your dryer. Next, we went over frankincense, which is kind of liquid gold. I'm going to show you, it does come in a Vitality line. So it does have a white label. If you have the Vitality, you can put a drop on your thumb and push it to the roof of your mouth, and it helps oxygenate your brain, getting all of those cells opening up. It can cause that stress relief if you get it to your brain. It helps a restful night's sleep. It really, really helps your skin. It's beautiful for your skin. So you can put it in your daily moisturizer. You can put a drop over your heart for calming your emotions. And you can just put some in your hands and inhale just to kind of settle down and reflect and meditate. Next we had Valor. Valor we call Liquid Courage. It's a beautiful blue color. Some people call it a unicorn oil. You can rub it on the bottoms of your feet or along your spine to boost confidence. Some people put it on the big toe to reduce snoring. You can put it on, you can inhale it or put it over your heart just before a meeting to kind of keep you in check and confident and calm. It's bold and inspiring. It's a fabulous oil. A lot of people use it when they're with their kids when their kids are not having enough courage to go to school or feel confident at school. Helps with that. Next is Panaway, and if you'll remember, that has wintergreen in it, and that's why it has a funny different label. It will never be a Vitality line. So you can put it on your joints, you can put it post-exercise, you can put it pre-exercise. I think it smells like, if you pan it with Stress Away, Panaway and Stress Away smells like Fruit Loops almost. It's such a fun smell. So it helps with menstrual cycle if you put it over your abdomen during your time of the month, it will help with some of those cramps as well. Lavender. Everybody loves lavender. That's what's next. I'm going to share this again. It does come in a Vitality line. Some people like to make lavender lemonade, but it can be added to the spray bottle for relaxing. It can be added to the spa day. It can be diluted with lemon and peppermint for the springtime blooming stuff that's happening right now. Add it to your skincare, your shampoos for your hair. Here we have Thieves. Thieves, this is a Vitality line. You can rub it on the outside of your throat. You can drink it in your tea. You can put it on the bottom of your feet. This is an immune boosting oil. It's a great oil. So that was, next we have Stress Away, and I am trying to go quick because this is the wrap up, even though this is a long wrap up. Stress Away, it's all in the name. Lemon, great for water. Put it with the trio for the springtime. Can make any room smell better. Gets out that gunky stuff. Anything that's sticky, it helps remove. Raven, it's really great for the chest rub. You can make, it's one of the great ones for this. It's cooling when it's applied to your chest and neck. With Thieves, you can put it with Thieves if you're really trying to fight the yuck, but it just opens our airways and helps our chest. And lastly, Peace and Calming of the oils. I've gone through 12 now. Again, the name really says it. But lots of people like to use Peace and Calming with their children. Put it on the bottom of your feet as a bedtime routine. Dilute and put it as a massage as they're going to bed. You could put it with the Epsom salts for a calming bath. It's really a lovely oil. Then we also talked about the Thieves Cleaner. You can use it as a carpet cleaner, as a window and glass cleaner, as an all-purpose cleaner. You're adding your package to your spray bottle and you're trying it all over the house, and you're not worrying about when your kids are walking barefoot on a freshly cleaned floor, because if those chemicals absorbed, it's not harmful. If you're putting it on the table and all of a sudden they put down their cheese, you're not worrying that they're consuming those toxic chemicals. If you do choose to take my offer and sign up for a kit that comes with all the big oils instead of these little tiny ones, my deal is I'll give you back your $15 and welcome you into my community of oilers, teach you what you get with me is you get all the education in the world. You become a part of my community. I absolutely pamper you, love on you, help you, support you. Part of the kit you also get is a hand purifier. There's a Natural Thieves hand purifier that comes in the kit. There's something called Ninjexa. It's a wolfberry supplement that is all kinds of juices and antioxidants. So you get a couple samples of that, and then you get choices of a diffuser. That come, I know my cards, right? So with full-size oils, then also comes the choice of a diffuser, and it's like you're getting a diffuser for free with the cost of the kit. It's over $400 worth of stuff for $165, so it's a good deal. But I think the best deal is it comes with me because you get all this education and become part of the community. Now I've been referencing stuff from these postcards this morning, and that's part of what I do also when I set up a new member. This is a recent thing that I've started. I send you a postcard a week so that you remember all this stuff that I've, like, all of a sudden you have this kit and what do you do and how do you use it. It's a gentle reminder once a week of what you're doing with the oils so that you can slowly figure it out and have fun with it. And you can always ask me any question at any time. So thank you for being a part of this. It's a whole lot of fun. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.